Yo, like I'm still trying to like soak this in. I have to go somewhere else. Hold on. Like, y'all don't understand, son. You guys don't understand. Like, yo, like basically, like, like I'm trying. Basically, what I've learned as a pre med so far, if you're not willing to get A's, that puts you down so much. What I mean by that is when you're trying to get into medical school, you always hear how there's about 3,000, 4,000, 5,000 people applying in a single year for a specific school. And out of those thousands of applicants, about 1,000 of them will receive secondaries. Like, I'm just making numbers, but that's around the range. And then about 500 or 400 of those 1,000 applicants that receive secondaries will receive interviews. And then from those interviews, only 100 people, or about 100, like depending on the class size, will get in. Maybe a little more, maybe a little less, depending on the school. So going from 5,000 to 1,000, that's 4,000 people who got denied. Why? Because their MCAT scores and their GPAs were not high enough, and a couple of other things. So if I'm serious about that now, like if I'm serious about getting an A in a relatively easy class, like chemistry, and some people might say chemistry is easy, some people might say it's hard, but just to start off pre-med, like my pre-med classes, if I'm to get an A now and to keep the mindset of getting an A in every single class, my GPA is going to increase to the point where all I have to worry about is the MCAT. And then I can go from one of those 5,000 applicants who are applying to one of those 1,000 applicants who receive secondaries. So, that's why like I'm really stressing out about this. And I'm making this video just so that in relation to my previous video, the reaction that I got, I'm making this video I just to show how serious getting into medical school is. It's things like this, how far you push yourself doing the simplest things. Because when you look down the line, doing something simple could mean a matter of life and death for a patient if you really think about it. So that's why I stress, you know, don't push for B's, push for A's. Because the competition is great. I don't know how else to explain it, but there are many people who want to get into medical school. Like, and there are many people who are really, I'm sure there are a lot of people, or maybe there aren't a lot of people who are really serious about it. And if you're really serious about it, it starts now. So, and that's what I'm doing. I'm gonna push to get an A in every single class that I get after this point. Even this is something that I've told myself before the semester started. I told myself before, after this point, I'm gonna push to get A's in every single class to increase my GPA. In this class, I got an A, which means I can keep pushing. Next semester, which is gonna start in like 2 weeks, I'm gonna take Physics 1, Bio 1, and Chem 2. So I'm gonna push to get A's in those also, and I don't care how hard it is. Just like I said, like I don't care how hard it is. I'm gonna push to get A's in them. Like I don't care how much I stress, because this semester I woke up early. I'd go to sleep around 12 or 1, and then I'll get like 6 hours of sleep because I'll have to wake up the next day at 7:30, and I'm sure it's gonna get harder, because yeah, I'm sure it's gonna get harder. This is only the beginning, so I don't want to scare anyone. I just want to bring to reality what I'm doing and just how serious I am about this, and I just hope that I can motivate somebody, not to scare, but just show you like this is how bad you have to want it. And there's some people that want it more badly than I do that probably get 5 hours of sleep. You know what I'm saying? So, but I'm just trying to be real and display just the effort. So, to anyone who's watching this, definitely shoot me a comment if you want to. Shoot me a message if you want to. Definitely gonna keep making videos and stay positive with whatever you do. Keep pushing. Want it as bad as you want to breathe. Eric Thomas. Peace. That's all I can say. Peace.